Did you know that the font can change your whole website? Here are the 4 best free fonts that can make a huge difference. You must try them. Roboto joined the party with classic appeal. It's like that cool kid in a school who's effortlessly stylish. Roboto is a versatile font that is often used in material design. It's a clean and simple font that's super easy to read and it's ideal for UI design. It also has a large family of weights and styles. Whether you're designing a website, app, or a print material, Lato balanced proportions and smooth reliability make it a go-to choice for adding a dash of personality to your text. So go ahead, wrap your words in a Lato and let them cozy up to your audience with style. With its clean lines and suitable geometric forms, Manrope exudes a sense of minimalistic, modern, and clean design, easy to read, making it ideal for a wide array of design projects. It's also highly customizable, on the other hand, and it's a font that was specifically designed for digital screens. The letters, forms, and easily distinguishable, making it a great choice for UI design. Inter is like that dependable friend who's always there when you need them. The sans serif font family bring a modern and friendly vibe to your digital projects. With its clean lines and easy to read style, Inter is a perfect font for your projects.